Carlos? Isn't that my mannequin's name?
Yeah.
Carlos.
I forgot.
Yeah, but it was so weird because I don't even know what those people eat besides because of the time show with the guinea pig thing. And like, it was in the, because remember I told you I don't really go to the north side? That's what I took a picture. I was like, I was in the north side yesterday. And he's like, say that again? But we were passing by a dealership and it was like Peruvian food. And I was like, huh. Peruvian.
What happened to your sister? She wasn't there?
Really?
I didn't see her. Did you see her?
Do you think he'll get it if I ask him, do you like llamas?
Yeah. The Emperor's New Groove. That movie's based on Peruvians.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah. They were Mexican. Girl, please. You didn't see all the llamas? You have to count. Look.
But do you think he'll get it if I'm like, how do you feel about llamas?
Yeah, he'll get it.
I don't want to ask him. I'm
I'm
just
telling you, they're big.